So I've got a few topics to discuss today. So first one, what we're going to do is we're going to do a little bit of gematria, and I'm going to understand it because they use gematria in the coding. Every news article they do to promote the propaganda. So of course the basics is like A equals what is 1 because obviously A is the first letter, B is 2, C is 3, D equals 4, etc. Right? But what I'm going to discuss is a certain word. So, of course, when we see stuff like X, 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 what does that mean? Well, it equals 666. You know, when you've got judges on an X Factor, or Britain's Got Talent, or America's Got Talent, or whatever's got talent, Australia's Got Talent, or or X Factor, you have judges, don't you? And they have the X's. Sometimes it's 4, other times, a lot of the times, it's actually 3. Now I'm going to discuss why X equals 3. So X is the 24th letter of the alphabet. So, if we count A1, B2, C3, D4, E5, A, B, C, D, E, F, 6, that's another one we need. So we'll just put that in brackets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G is the 7th letter. That's an interesting one when you think of the G7, 77th Brigade. You've got Georgia Guidestone, 77. 77's a very interesting number. Of course, it's Kabbalistic. So we'll put that one in brackets as well. Just hold on with me, guys, because if you don't know what I mean, I'll show you what I mean. So G7, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, A, H, I, J, K, A, B, C, F, G, K, L, M, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, A, B, C, Q, R, S, T, 20, U, 21, V, 22, C, F, G, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, 23, and then this is the one we need to watch, X is 24, so we're going to highlight this one as well, so put that in brackets. I'll tell you why in a minute. X, Y, 25, and then Z is 26, the 26 letters of the alphabet, right? So what we're going to do with this is, of course, in gematria, in the English ordinal, X will just equal to 24. But what we do with this is X equals 24. And then what we do is 2 plus 4 equals 6. So that means X equals 6. Okay, so that's the first one. Now we're going to do another one as well. So of course O, we'll put this in brackets as well because this is an interesting one. Okay, so we've got X equals 6, so that's that one. So when you see X, it equals 666, the number of the beast, right? The demonic number. But then of course O equals 15. And then we do 1, because what we do then is we move that on, so we split the 1 and the 5 up. So we do 15 there. So O equals 15, then we put a plus in there. So 1 add 5 equals 6. So that means O can also mean equal 666, right? But hold on. We're going to go on. Put that there. So that equals 666. So And then of course F, because it's a single digit number. In gematria you go down to the single digit number, so F is a 6 letter, so automatically F is just 6 because you can't play the numbers down more because it's only one number. So F automatically equals, put it on charge, so 6. So F, you don't really see it often. FFF equals 666. Hold on guys, I haven't got to where I need to be yet. Just give me a sec, because this is where it gets interesting now. I don't even know why I did that. I don't really need that in, but there you go. XXXFFF. Well, of course, right? This is where it gets interesting. So you know the news station Fox News. Lee pointed this out. It's quite interesting. So Fox News. Really. So you've got F, which equals 6. Well, let's do it down. So F equals 6, and then of course O equals 6, and X equals 6. These are the 3 letters. Fox. So when you know Fox News, you know the American news channel, the big one that some people think it's the great news source, and really it's just an alternative news source, isn't it? It talks, it may give some truth out, but then it will talk a load of bollocks, because that's what it's supposed to do. So really, Fox News really is 666 News, do you see? Because F equals 6, O equals 6, because what you do is you add the 1 and the 5, which gives you 6, and then X also equals 6 because you add the 2 and the 4. Because, of course, so to put it into better words, F is 6 because it's a single number. O is a 24th letter. So that means because it's 24, you add the 2 and the 4, and that gives you 6. That equals 6 because it goes down to the single digit number. The same with X. No, sorry, it's the other way around. Sorry, O is the 15th number. So you add the 1 and the 5 and it gives you 6. X is the 6th number. X is the 24th number. You add the 2 and the 4 and it gives you 6. So, of course, Fox News is 666 News. There you go. So when you see this news channel, remember 666 News. That's what it means. And I'll prove it to you. So if we click on Web's Best Calculator, this is gematria. So I was just showing the numbers if you're not aware. A equals 1 in English ordinal. And what you do, look, can you see the 2 and the 6 there? That's where you add it together, look. 2 and the 6. You've got reverse ordinal. So A is 1 because it's the first number. But if in reverse ordinal, so you've got English ordinal where A is 1. But in reverse ordinal, you go backwards. So A is 26. Z, which is 1. So Z is 1, A is 26. But the other way round, A is 1, Z is 26, if you get what I mean. So you go backwards on the alphabet in reverse ordinal. So if we did Z, look, that would be 26 in the English ordinal because it's a 26 letter. But in reverse, it would be 1. So A. So of course, we'll just go down. Look, A is 1 and 21 in English ordinal and 26 in reverse ordinal. B is 2 in English ordinal because it's the second letter. But if you go backwards, it's a 25th letter. Does that make sense? So anyway, let's go to F. Of course, it means 6. Look, in English ordinal, it means 6 because it's a 6 letter. It's a single digit. So that means. But if we go O, can you see 15 there? So you add the 1 and the 5 there, and it gives you 6 at the bottom. So that also equals 6. And then X also, look, it's a 24th letter. So you add the 2 and the 4, and it gives you 6. So, of course, Fox News, you've got 666, and that's what Fox News is. Yeah. Interested. It's 9 as well, 999 all the way across.